come to try your hand at the $5,000 in gold, I see. You're a man of few words. I respect that. I truly do. I believe you are somewhat acquainted with Miss Stokes.
Did you find what you were looking for, stranger?
I reckon I did. Do you see a buffalo soldier ride into town?
He won't be causing the governor any more problems. I do hope you're planning to attend the Battle Royale. I would very much look forward to beating an adversary of your talent.
I just signed up.
Battle Royale! Read about who's entering this year.
Oh, it's you. Well, don't get in my way. I'm gonna sign up for this Battle Royale. If the governor thinks he can scare me off my own land with hired goons.
What is the world coming to?
Who's gonna
Have
win?
you heard about the
Four-time
Stokes
champion
Ranch
Mr.
being
Kelly,
burned to the
British
ground?
Jack Swift, or maybe even local ranch owner Annie Stokes?
I had a run-in with a very unpleasant fellow by the name of Kelly. Seems to think he's the one
Or
to
will it be
win
someone
this
else,
competition.
a late entrant perhaps? Read all the speculation that's fit to print.
Now, I don't like to gossip, but I hear that some people think that Mr. Kelly has some real competition this year.
Battle Royale! Read about who's entering this year.
Oh, we are closing in a few minutes, so Mr. Peabody can keep a watchful eye on the prize money for the governor.
Stocking up before the Battle Royale? That's a wise thing to do, friend.